Or Nico. Nico sent me to send you a message.
Who?
Nico.
Who's Nico?
He said that you need a message.
You're an asshole, aren't you?
No, Nico is an asshole.
No, you are, because you did it.
Met a girl, thought she was grand. Fell in love, found out firsthand.
Nico. Nico. $74. Wow. Oh. Shit. Oh my God.
Sorry. My bad. Yeah, dude, 10 times better. Excuse me, buddy. Sorry.
Oh, you're right.
Shit.
Los mismitos dicen. Ya los corrió. Pero le digo, eso no es para usted.
Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me.
No, you're right.
Hey, do you work in this department? You're just a customer.
Oh, I just customer. Excuse me, I'm sorry.
Did you hear that? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know it was that loud. I thought it was a silent one. You know, silent but deadly. Sometimes they just squeak on out of there.
Son of a dude. That's gonna steam.
Sorry, I'm just looking right here. Ooh, my bad.
It's a 3-prong or a 4-prong? That's just the whole.
Anyway, so yeah, I think it's a good place to be.
Excuse me. You're right.
30 gallons. 240 liters.
Bathroom.
Code 50 to the straw trailer. Code 50 to the...
Oh, man. It's bad, boy. Want to give me a discount on that? Smell alone. There you go.
I'm sorry, I know. I didn't even think about that.
Oh, whew.
Rachel, you know you're not supposed to be smoking, Rachel. We had to talk about this.
Let's go. You got this. You're a man. You're the man.
Found out firsthand.